What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys we do have an update on Jasmy, which has hit a green candle, and as you guys can see it has pumped up just about 12% in the last 24 hours, currently trading at 0.03239 cents. And as you guys can see, majority of the pump was from earlier yesterday, and right now it is slowly starting to increase in value. So we're going to be going through what is next for Jasmy, especially for the rest of June. What can we expect? Is it likely to pump up higher? Is it going to drop back down, or is it going to fluctuate around its current price range? So essentially looking at, is it a crypto to buy right now? Is it one to sell, or is it one to hold on to for the rest of 2024 and potentially going into next year as well? So covering its short-term and long-term prediction as well. But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, and as you guys can see, like I did mention in my previous Jasmy update, the crypto was likely to bounce back up from the resistance level, and that is exactly what's happening. I did say it is likely to drop down a little bit further down into the blue zone and then bounce back up, and that is pretty much what's happened. So let's focus on what is next. So for now, I'm just going to hide this and bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the usual purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Jasmy, which is here in purple at 0.035 cents. However, the crypto is still trading at a slightly lower value here in green, meaning it is not performing too well and lower than expected. However, we can see it is slowly starting to get closer to the SMA indicator. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that guys, just a little disclaimer. As usual, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart here, we do have the blue and the orange line looking slightly bullish, heading towards a positive direction. They are not looking too steep either, meaning minimal gains in value are expected from Jasmy over the next 12 to 14 hours. So later on this afternoon, evening time, the crypto should be trading at a slightly higher value, potentially heading past 0.034 cents and getting closer to 0.035 cents in value is what I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at over the next 12 to 14 hours. But again, I'm not expecting a major pump or an increase. It is likely to be minimal. Moving on to the hourly chart over the next 7 to 8 days, so towards the end of next week, as you guys can see, we still have the blue and the orange line heading upwards towards the bullish direction. However, yes, they are looking a little bit too steep. Reason they're looking quite steep is because of the major pump that's taken place over the last 24 hours. However, I'm not expecting any major pumps or bull runs over the next 7 to 8 days. However, yes, I am expecting an overall minimal increase in value, potentially getting closer to the 4 cents target is what I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at by the end of next week. However, as usual guys, of course, do expect the odd red days in between, but once again, what matters is the overall outcome, which at this point does seem to be more on the positive side. So yes, do expect more green days over the coming week or so. Moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks we have taken a complete U-turn here. We've got both the blue and the orange line heading towards the bearish direction, looking quite negative. So according to the graph, an overall drop in value is expected from Jasmy over the next 6 to 8 weeks guys, mid to late August. However, the reason is looking quite bearish is because of the drop that's been taking place over the last 2 weeks. However, over the next 2 months, I'm expecting Jasmy to have gone through the 5 cents target, potentially heading up to around 7 cents in value. is where I'm expecting Jasmy to be trading at by mid to end of August. However guys, you know, the crypto market is quite volatile and has been for majority of 2024, so of course I'll make sure to keep you guys updated on Jasmy, and make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some more analysis. So as you guys can see here, we are trading in the top tier level, and it is likely to keep getting higher and higher over the coming days, weeks and months. And yes, as I mentioned, potentially hitting a new all-time high in late July, August is what I'm expecting Jasmy to be hitting a new all-time high, heading past the 5 cents target. But again, Jasmy is a crypto that I keep you guys updated on a regular basis, so there will of course be more updates and analysis on this crypto. So heading into the CoinMarketCap website here, the trading volume is down just about 3% in the last 24 hours at $156 million in trading. However, because it has started to pump and increasing in value, I am expecting the trading volume to go up even higher over the coming hours, as we are likely to see more and more people trading the crypto from both buyers and sellers point of view. And over the week, as you guys can see, it has dropped 4%, with major drops here earlier in the week, and over the month it is still up 52%. It's increased in value and then dropped back down. So overall it has been performing too well, and at the moment I'm expecting it to keep hitting green candles. So let me know in the comment section down below what your expectations are on Jasmy. I know that the crypto hasn't been performing too well over the last 2 weeks, as you guys can see. However, Jasmy is one for the long term, and I've personally been holding it for a long term as well, and for a long while already, and I will be holding on to it not just for 2024 but over the coming years, as I'm expecting this crypto to hit huge numbers. So yeah, this is my take and my prediction on Jasmy. Guys, comment down below how high you guys are expecting this crypto to go in 2024, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day guys, it's free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.